Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Realme Note 60. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme Note 60 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme Note 60 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here wallpaper and style. After click over wallpaper and style, if you decide to change home screen wallpaper, you need to click here home screen. So this is the home screen. From here you will see there is a this is the current wallpaper, and if you decide to change this current wallpaper color, you can easily choose from here. Or if you decide to, there is a many wallpaper, you can click here change wallpaper, and then if you click here on device wallpaper, we'll see there is a bunch of wallpaper preloaded by Realme. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this one. So I will choose this one, and then I would like to set this wallpaper only my home screen. So I'll go home screen, and then I'm going to click here this check mark, and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this picture in your home screen lock screen? So I would like to set this picture in my home and lock screen. So I'm going to click here home and lock screen, and now if I go back, we will see my phone going to appear new wallpaper. Also if I go here in my phone lock screen, also going to appear new wallpaper. Now you might be had a favorite picture and you want to set them. So for that you need to click again here settings section, wallpaper and style, change wallpaper. From again, if I go here home screen, and then I will click here change wallpaper, and in this time if you decide to change a wallpaper from your phone, you need to click here my photo, and then pop-up going to appear complete action using. So I'm going to choose a photo, and then I'm going to click here always, and then it's going to be it will give you skin just like this. We'll give allow all. So when you click allow all, it's going to be show you all the pictures available in your phone. So for example, I would like to say this wallpaper. So when I click this wallpaper, it's going to be looks like this, and the preview on the lock screen. And if I click here home screen, this is the home screen how this wallpaper going to be looks like. So I'm going to click here check mark, and then it's giving you option, do you like to set this picture in your home screen, lock screen, or home and lock screen. So in this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I'm going to click here home screen, and then this picture is going to be set in my wallpaper. So if I go back, we will see now my phone going to appear new wallpaper. So within this simple way, you can easily change wallpaper in your Realme Note 60. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.